In this video, we will go over checking for Windows 10 updates. To start, left-click on the Start menu icon located in the left-hand corner of your screen. Then, left-click on the gear icon. In this Windows Settings screen, left-click on Update and Security. In this screen, you will see a couple different features: pause updates, change active hours, view update history, and advanced options. You can also see that there is a feature update to Windows 10 version 1909 that is available to download and install. You can check for updates simply by left-clicking on Check for Updates. Or, if you would like to install a feature update, go ahead and left-click on Download and Install Now. You can pause updates simply by left-clicking and pausing your updates. You can resume by hitting Resume Updates. You can change your active hours by left-clicking on Change Active Hours. As you can see, my current active hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I can change this by left-clicking on Change. In this screen, I can select a start time and an end time. To change my start time, left-click on the start time. Simply scroll with your mouse or use the up and down arrows to select a time you would like to pick. To change the end time, do the same as the start time. When you have selected your desired start and end time, left-click on Save. You can also automatically adjust the active hours based on your activity of your computer. You can view update history by left-clicking on View Update History. As you can see, there has been one feature update, which was version 1903, and there has been 13 quality updates. You can also see there are driver updates and other updates. To see what these updates are, left-click on the arrow next to their names. If you would like to learn more about an update, simply left-click on the blue text. Now let's try checking for updates. As you can see, this computer is up to date. However, we do have the optional feature update to Windows 10. To install optional updates, left-click on Download and Install Now. Now you will see the status, which is set to Getting Things Ready. The time it takes to complete the download is dependent on your internet connection and speed. As you can see, my computer is ready to restart now. If you do not keep the Windows Update screen up and close out of it, you can see in the bottom right-hand corner that the Windows Update icon has a amber light to it. This means the computer is ready for a restart. If you right-click on this icon, you will see you can restart now, schedule restart, open Windows Update, or hide for now. Let's open Windows Update. Again, we are brought back to our Windows Update screen, where we can left-click on Restart Now. Lastly, left-clicking on the Start menu icon will show an amber light on the Power button. If you left-click on the Power button, you will be prompted with Update and Shutdown and Update and Restart. Let's update and restart. Your computer may restart several times during this process. Finally, you will be loaded back into the Windows operating system. Then, left-click on the Start menu again, and left-click on the gear. Then, left-click on Update and Security. Next, we will check for additional updates. Left-click on Check for Updates. It looks like we're up to date. Now let's check on View Update History. As we can see, the feature update to Windows 10 version 1909 has successfully been installed.